Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So it all depends on your navigation type. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got a square or 3 bars icon, I'm not sure, but maybe 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gesture, simply swipe your finger or pen from the bottom to the center of your device, just like, maybe not like that, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close them manually one by one just by swiping them up. However, you can simply tap on close all, and all of them will be successfully closed. As you can see, we've got no recently used apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.